Are you struggling with low FPS, stutters, or random lag while gaming on Windows 10 or 11? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to unlock the full performance of your PC step by step. We're going to optimize Windows settings, unlock hidden CPU and GPU power, clean junk files, and apply pro tweaks that will boost FPS and fix lag in any game. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Step 1. Turn on game mode and force Windows to use your dedicated GPU. The first thing we'll do is tell Windows to prioritize gaming and make sure your games always use your strongest graphics card. To begin, open Windows Settings and in the search bar at the top, type Game Mode. Click on it and make sure it is turned on. What this does is stop Windows from running unnecessary background activities while you're gaming. Things like automatic updates, pop-up notifications, or extra services, so that more of your PC's power goes directly into your game. Next, in the same Windows Settings search bar, type Graphics Settings. Open it, then click Browse to add your game's executable file. Locate the folder where your game is installed, commonly in Program Files or under Steam Epic Games. Open the game folder, go into its binaries, Win64 folder, and select the main game file. It usually ends with .exe. Once added, click on the game name in the list, hit Options, and then select High Performance. Finally, click Save. This tells Windows to always run your games on your dedicated GPU, NVIDIA or AMD, instead of the weaker integrated GPU. Doing this ensures you get higher FPS, smoother gameplay, and far better performance in every game you play. Step 2. Make Windows run faster for gaming now. Let's speed up Windows itself by disabling unnecessary visual effects that waste your CPU and RAM. First, click the Windows search bar and type Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click the result and a window called Performance Options will appear. Inside this window, select Adjust for best performance. This will turn off animations, shadows, and other effects that don't help with gaming. If you prefer Windows to look a little nicer, you can turn two options back on. Smooth edges of screen fonts, for clearer text. Show thumbnails instead of icons, to preview images instead of generic icons. Once you've chosen, click Apply. Now, move to the Advanced tab in the same window. Under Processor Scheduling, choose Adjust for best performance of programs. This makes sure Windows gives more CPU power to your games rather than wasting it on background apps. Click OK to save and close the settings. After this step, your computer will feel snappier, games will load faster, and you'll notice reduced lag while gaming. Step 3. Maximize CPU performance by unlocking all processor cores. By default, Windows doesn't always use all the cores of your CPU, which means your processor's full power might not be available for gaming. Press the Windows key, type System Configuration, and open it. Inside the window, go to the Boot tab and then click on Advanced Options. A new box will appear. Tick the box that says Number of Processors. From the drop-down, select the highest number available. This is the total number of CPU cores your computer has. By doing this, you are telling Windows to always use all available CPU cores, which means your system becomes more responsive, your games run smoother, and your FPS improves significantly. Click OK, then Apply and close the window. From now on, your CPU is fully unlocked, giving you much better performance and less lag in all of your games. Step 4. Use Titus Tech Utility to optimize Windows. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Now we'll make your PC even faster by using a free tool called Titus Tech Utility. This tool disables unnecessary Windows features, background services, and apps that slow down your computer. To start, open your FPS Boost Pack folder, or wherever you keep your optimization tools. Inside, look for a text file with some code written in it. Open the file and copy all of the code. Next, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. This step is important so changes can actually apply to your system. Paste the code you copied into PowerShell and hit Enter. This will open up the Titus Tech Utility. Once the tool is open, go to the Tweaks tab. Here you'll see two main presets, Minimal and Standard. Minimal removes extra background tasks while keeping important Windows features. Standard goes further and removes even more unnecessary stuff for maximum performance. Choose whichever preset you prefer. Before applying, the tool automatically creates a restore point. which means you can undo the changes if needed. Finally, click Run Tweaks and wait for it to complete. Once it finishes, close the tool. This step will make Windows lighter, reduce background processes, and boost FPS in all of your games. Step 5. Unpark all CPU cores for maximum power. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Your CPU has multiple cores, like multiple workers, but sometimes Windows parks some of them to save energy. While this is good for battery, it actually lowers performance in gaming. To fix this, we'll unpark all cores. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator, so it has full system access. The tool will scan your CPU and show which cores are active and which are parked. Click the Unpark button to activate all cores. Once finished, every CPU core on your system will remain active during gaming. This ensures your CPU runs at full potential, which leads to smoother gameplay, higher FPS, and fewer stutters in demanding games. Step 6. Boost CPU performance using ThrottleStop. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. ThrottleStop is another tool that helps squeeze more performance out of your CPU by preventing it from slowing down unnecessarily. Go to your FPS boost pack, open the ThrottleStop folder, and launch the program. When it opens, you'll see power profiles like Performance, Game, Internet, and Battery mode. For gaming, select the Game mode profile. Tick the box for high performance to make sure your CPU is always running at full power. You may see advanced options like clock mode, speed shift, or set multiplier. If you're unsure, don't change them. For most people, simply checking Disable Turbo is a safe option to prevent overheating while still boosting gaming performance. Click Turn On, then click Save. Keep ThrottleStop running in the background while gaming. It will help maintain stable FPS and reduce lag spikes. Step 7. Maximize GPU priority with MSI Utility. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Now let's optimize your GPU, graphics card, so it communicates with your system faster. For this, we'll use the MSI Utility tool. Open the tool and you'll see a list of devices. Find your GPU. It will be labeled NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics. Tick the MSI box next to it, and then set the interrupt priority to high. If you also see your integrated GPU listed, like Intel HD graphics, apply the same setting to it as well. Once finished, click Apply, then close the tool. By giving your GPU higher priority, this reduces input lag, FPS drops, and stuttering in all games. Step 8. Optimize your power plan for gaming. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Windows power plans control how much of your hardware's power is actually being used. By default, many PCs are set to balanced, which limits performance to save energy. To fix this, open the Windows search bar, type power, and click Change Power Plan. Switch it to high performance. For even more speed, you can unlock Ultimate Performance mode, which isn't always available by default. To enable it, open Command Prompt as Administrator. Paste this command and press Enter. This will unlock the Ultimate Performance plan. Go back to your power settings and select Ultimate Performance. This makes your system use 100% of its power, giving your games maximum FPS and fewer slowdowns. Step 9. Keep your PC clean with storage. Since junk files build up over time and slow down your system. Open Settings, search for Storage Sense, and turn it on. Then click Configure Cleanup Schedules. Set it to run every day and set it to automatically delete files in the recycle bin after 14 days. Finally, click Run Storage Sense now to perform an immediate cleanup. This will free up space, remove temporary files, and keep your PC running faster for longer. That's it! You've now fully optimized your Windows PC for gaming. With these tweaks, you'll enjoy higher FPS, faster performance, less lag, smoother gameplay. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming optimization tips.